0.2. Okay, so we go up 9 volts. Then when the charge goes up here, it's going to lose X, which is unknown. Then it's going to lose 7.2 volts. And it has to be a total of 9. So 9 minus 7.2 gives me 1.8 volts and a 1.8 volt, because no matter which resistor we take, we have to lose the same amount of voltage, because we're going to lose 7.2 across this guy over here. And you've got to lose a total of 9. No matter what path you take, you have to lose 9 volts. Okay? Alright, so now that we have the voltage and the resistance, the voltage, the resistance, the voltage, and the resistance, we can find the current through each one of those and we'll be done. So using V equals IR, we have V, we have R, you got 0.375 amps. Alright. What about for the 3.3 ohm resistor? Okay, and then for the last 8.1 ohm resistor? Okay, so the question only asked for the currents through each resistor, so I can clean this up a little bit. I don't need that error or this stuff, because I have the ability to clean it all up and make it look a lot nicer. So there you go. Now we have the current through each resistor. And you should be able to add up 0.375 amps and 0.545 amps and 0.222 amps and get, because all those three get together at this point and make 1.14. Okay. Alright, 43, you're given this circuit and you are given the current through the 8.5 ohm resistor. 8.45 ohm resistor is 1.52 amps. And that's all you're given. And you want to find what is the voltage or the EMF of the battery. So since the 8.45 ohm resistor is in series, that means that automatically using the rules, remember this is a puzzle, so using the rules, this is 1.52 amps. So can you find the voltage across each one of these guys? Yeah, so let's do that. 12 point. I'm sorry. Alright, and then 4.11, what do we get? 6.25. Alright, what's the rule for the voltage for resistors in series? Be careful, in series. We add it up to get the voltage for the branch. Okay? This whole thing right here is a branch. That's a branch. This is a branch. That's a branch. Okay? So, can you add up these guys right here and find the voltage across the whole branch? Yeah. And what do we get? So the voltage for the whole branch is 19.1 volts. How is 17.2 wired with 13.8? How 17.2 wired? Are they parallel? Okay. How is the 13.8, the 17.2 wired with this big series blob? Also in parallel. So what is the voltage across the 17.2? 19.1. So this one is 19.1 volts. This one is 19.1 volts. So now we can find the current through each of these. Find the current through each of these guys right here, and we'll be able to find the current that's coming out of the 12.5, which is the current coming out of the 15, so we can find the V across each one of those, and we'll be able to find the voltage of the battery. So let's find this current. We have 1.8 amps through the 13.8, we have 1.1 amps through 17.2, and we have 1.52 amps heading to the right through this guy right here. So what was this? So adding up these three currents, we get 4.01 amps. So that's what came through here, 4.01